Our legal expert, attorney, and former Attorney General and Lieutenant Governor Doug Chin joins us in studio.
Hi
Always
there.
nice to have you here.
Thank you.
So after multiple witnesses, 58, I believe, prosecutors rested its case this morning. And as we heard from Manolo Morales, the defense is picking it up. One thing I'd like to ask you was what I considered a surprise that Catherine Kealoha actually hired another attorney.
Oh, sure.
What was the reasoning behind that? And if I were Cynthia Kagiwara, her court-appointed attorney, should I be offended?
Okay, so there could be a couple reasons for why there's another attorney involved. And I'm just taking guesses, but these are some pretty good guesses. One can be this, it's that Catherine Kealoha is seeing that there's a potential appeal that's going to happen if she gets convicted of something. So if she gets convicted, she's going to want another lawyer who's looking objectively at the case, someone like Eric Seitz, who would be able to potentially take this case up on appeal. Now, the reason why Cynthia Kagiwara might not be able to do that is because in a lot of criminal cases, what happens is that sometimes the defendant will say, my lawyer didn't do a good enough job, which sounds insulting, but from a professional standpoint, it actually happens all the time. It's really ultimately the defendant is just saying, I wanted the best representation I could be getting. Again, it could be Eric Seitz is just a good friend and is just trying to be helpful at this time, but it is an interesting development.
So also, the reason why they have Cynthia Kagiwara, or Catherine has Cynthia Kagiwara, is because it's a court-appointed attorney. I don't know if this attorney is appointed, but the reason being they didn't have enough money for their prior attorneys. So I'm a little confused as how she was able to obtain another attorney.
Sure, and she could be paying for him, or someone else could be paying for Mr. Seitz, or he could be doing it pro bono, which means he'd just be doing as a volunteer effort to be able to help out her case.
Okay, another twist that Manolo had mentioned, Daniel Sellers. Does that look good for the defense if he spoke on their behalf despite cutting a plea deal with the government?
Right. Well, it turns out he didn't actually say a whole lot other than just saying that he had told some of the other officers, or he told Catherine Kealoha that Gerard Puana didn't have that kind of car. So what's interesting about this is, one, we got this cleared now. The prosecution has rested. This is a circumstantial evidence case. There is nothing wrong with a circumstantial evidence case. People get convicted all the time based on circumstantial evidence, but it's going to require some work. They're going to have to be able to tie it all together and say, look at all these things, look at how much money she was spending, look how it went into the joint account of Louis Kealoha. This shows you that there's a conspiracy. You're going to have to put your brains together as a jury and come up with that conclusion. They can still do it. But what we don't have is we don't have some witness saying, I was all together with the whole group when we all said, guys, we're going to have a conspiracy. They don't have that. That's normal, but instead you have Daniel Sellers, who's not testifying for the prosecution, but he's testifying for the defense.
Doug Chin, always appreciate to hear your input. Lauren, over to you.